Hello, everyone. I'm Rachel, spokesman of Commissioner Dr. James McConnell and the SBN, the Small Business Network. Check out what Commissioner Dr. James has created. Matter of fact, take a listen.
Wow. Incredible. Dr. James has absolutely changed the game. Everyone, listen to this quick presentation by the Commissioner. Get ready to have your mind blown.
Check it out.
Hello, how are you doing today? I am Commissioner Dr. James McConnell's A.I.Agent. My name is Sam. You can ask me anything about the Commissioner and the SBN.
Sam, can you tell me something about Sean White of the SBN?
Sean White is the partner CEO of the SBN, the Small Business Network. He is also the founder of Transformation Greatness and a hypnotherapy practitioner. Additionally, he is a speaker, coach, author, and serves as a TV and radio personality and PR manager of Circle of Love United.
Awesome. How about Indigo Brown? Any news on her? She's with the SBN as well.
Yes, Indigo Brown is a partner and creative director of the SBN, the Small Business Network. She also hosts on the powerful SBN platform and runs a nonprofit organization and an umbrella company.
Okay. What about Cassandra Pickett? What can you tell me about her? She's also a partner of the SBN.
Cassandra Pickett is a partner team leader of the SBN. She is also a host of the powerful SBN podcast and a real estate investor in the Carolina area.
Okay. What about Roosevelt Russell? What can you tell me about him? He's also a partner of the SBN.
Roosevelt Russell is a partner manager of the SBN, the Small Business Network. He also has an affiliate marketing business and is a podcaster with the SBN.
Awesome. Is there anything else that you can tell me about Dr. James McConnell?
Dr. James McConnell is a highly multifaceted leader, not only as the founder and CEO of NBC Global Enterprises and the Small Business Network, but also in areas like investing, inventing, education, life coaching, and neurotherapy. He is the inventor of quantum influent technology and the founder of Your Staff Technology. Additionally, he owns a body shop specializing in paintless dent repair and has been doing so for over 27 years. He is also campaigning for DeSoto City Council.
Okay, thank you, Sam. I appreciate it.
You are most welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Have a great day.
Okay, guys, just so you know, that was my AI conversation. We're going to use it with the SBN, help you get more customers, talk to your customers firsthand. We'll be back.